Smooth.
Faf, Lloyd and myself are off to eMdloti. The goal of the day is to do some slow pitch jigging. Stick around for all the thrills and spills and let us know what you think in the comments.
Yo, here comes the shit. Got it?
Are you sure this thing's fine? Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. Good.
No.
Put it down. That handle there. There. That one.
Oh, the mid one.
Yeah. That's the one. Oh, smooth. Smooth. Use your rudders.
How was that? 100%, 100%. Time to get some fishes. Let's unpack.
I mean, that was a bit of a better launcher.
Yeah, that went way better.
Nice.
How you doing, Jazz? How's that?
Oh, so chilled. Like Mauritius.
Mauritius.
Alright, gonna start a thing. Nice. No, that's a cute.
What did you catch it on?
Lazy chain.
Oh.
Now, can I talk to your boat?
Yeah, I'll start to get him on the drop.
If you're jigging, it gets him on the drop.
Okay, well, I'm gonna jig. Oi, 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 oi.
You want the best thing, better than a stolen bait, is a stolen fish.
Yo, Justin's on a big one! Yo. Yo. Lekker. Wat is dat, jongen? Wat een zachtje. Hoi. Oh. Nog een stuk. Zo lukt. We got it in the side.
Don't wind up too much, otherwise you're going to lift him out the water. If you can. Fuck, don't do that fish. Well done, Josh. Yeah.
Like a snooky eMdloti. Managed to get him on a slow pitch jig, which was actually quite sick. Like that's a first for me. Ended the dry run. I'm very happy with this. Okay, we're gonna have some nice chow. My parents are coming over on Tuesday.
Lekker.
Ja, lekker.
Well done, Josh.
Oh, it's a puff pose. Let's do the puff pose.
Yeah, it's a big one. A little bit windy out here. Still an enjoyable time. And Faf and Justin, I got a few fishies. Myself, I haven't been so lucky, but I'm paddling back to the spot now to drift again.
Oh, no snooky! I can't wait!
Oh, I just took the rammy. Just stuck on the jig, that's so sick. Well done.
Thanks.
Not as small as you thought, eh?
No!
Okay, my first snook on a kayak.
Oh, it's shining.
I need to
Yeah, that looks sick. Hey, tell us what happened.
No, it was this slow pitch jigging as instructed by Justin. Got one of his little jigs on there and I hooked this okie right in the tail. Yeah, I didn't expect much, but yeah, good color when he came to the surface, and then it's pretty chuffed. It's gonna be a nice appetizer for the family.
Yo!
Oh, beautiful. Is it a mirror kingfish?
Yeah.
Yo! That is shiny. Justin's onto something huge.
Yo, on boy. even know what it is.
That's beautiful. Load him up.
Strong fight to this thing.
Yeah.
I don't even know what it is. Nice, let's let this guy go. If anyone knows what it is, drop us a comment. Alright, it's gonna give this little baby Squidtrex a try. See how it goes. Looks good.
Yellow shot. Yo.
Okay, battle. You have to come in now quickly. Battle. You have to come in on this way. Go. Let this one push you. Go. Oh, watch out. Leave it.